Thank you, Noah. Georgia lawmakers are working on improving safety in K-12 schools across the state.
One of the bills would include law enforcement receiving a layout of the schools before danger strikes. WGXA's Brianna Cook joins us live in studio with more now. Hey, Brianna.
Hey, Greg and Amanda, not only would this law provide a layout of the school to law enforcement, but it would also issue panic buttons to teachers for them to wear.
School safety is in the spotlight under the Gold Dome. Senate Bill 17 would issue maps and access points of a school to local law enforcement before a life-threatening incident happens. Senator Jason Avatarte is the sponsor of the bill. He says if law enforcement has a layout of a school, then it will potentially speed up a rescue.
The big picture is to save minutes, save time, to allow our public safety and first responders to get to take down a shooter, but also protect lives of children and teachers in the building.
The bill is named Ricky and Alyssa's Law. Ricky Aspinwall was a coach that was shot and killed during the Appalachia High School shooting in Georgia last September. Alyssa Alhadeff was one of the 17 kids murdered during the Parkland shooting in Florida 7 years ago. Her mother, Lori Alhadeff, is pushing for this bill to be passed, stating it will also give teachers a wearable panic button if something were to happen.
This law directs wearable panic alarms that directly links to law enforcement in a life-threatening emergency. When seconds matter, we need to empower our teachers, like Ricky, to immediately connect to the help they need.
If the bill is passed, Georgia will join 7 other states that have already passed Alyssa's Law. Lori says although this does not prevent a life-threatening situation from happening at a school, it still adds extra protection.
Alyssa and Ricky should be here today. This technology doesn't replace other safety measures, it enhances it. It's a lifeline to the first responders and connects the entire campus so that every student and classroom can move to safety.
This bill was approved and now heads to the full Senate for a vote. Reporting live in studio, Brianna Cook, WGXA News.